Hi guys, welcome back to Chillipot kitchen. My name is Darshini. Today I'm going to show you how to roast the raw peanuts in air fryer. Peanuts are an especially good source of healthful fats, protein and fiber. Despite being high in calories, peanuts are nutrient rich and low in carbs. It's best and healthy midday snack. I used roasted peanuts for most of the Indian cooking and making yummy peanut butter. I used to roast in a pan before, sometimes no. Many times my peanuts would be burnt or undercooked. I tried making roasted peanuts in the air fryer 2 years back. It came out so good and no more burnt peanuts. From then, I fry my peanuts in air fryer only. Looking for more instant pot cooker, air fryer and blender recipes? Subscribe to my YouTube channel for tasty and easy video recipes. It takes only 1 minute of your time to make this air fried peanuts. All you need is 1 cup of peanut for this recipe. Let's get started. If you have roast option in your air fryer, select that or set the temperature for 380°. If you have a basket model, preheat it for a minute, or if you have this Insta Vortex Plus, just set a time for 4 minutes and preheat it. While it's preheating, spread the peanuts in the tray. Once it says add food, insert the tray inside safely or add the peanuts to the basket. Let it cook for 4 minutes. If you have a basket model, shake in between. Click the notification bell. I'll post new videos every Tuesday, Friday and Sunday. It's done. Let's check it how it came out. Use mittens to take it out. It smells so good. Wow, look at that perfect roasted color. No burnt at all. Air fried peanuts are done in 4 minutes without babysitting. If you liked the video, give a thumbs up. Do try this recipe at your home and give me a feedback in the comment section below. If you are new to my channel, please subscribe. If you have any questions or feedback, write it in the comment section below. I will respond to it as soon as possible. And see you guys in the next video. Bye.